when we look at where we should put these implants, the numbers are all over the place. Stefan just talked a lot about that on the femoral side as well. But on the cup side, where do we put these, and where's the ideal place, and is it different for every patient? I don't think we have that answer yet. And even if we do put it, this was a study quoted yesterday as well, but even if we do put it in that safe zone, this is out of Mayo, they talked about 206 of their dislocations. 58% of them were still in that safe zone when that happened, when they dislocated.
I think we're going to know more and more as we can put these in better spots too, with robotics or navigation, whatever it might be. I think we're going to be able to have a better graph of where those should be. And then I think it is patient specific. To a certain extent as well.
The other aspect of this, and what Joel has taught us and others have taught us, is, and one of the reasons why it can't be a quadrilateral shape, is there is interplay between aneversion and inclination. And they affect each other, but we're measuring them individually and graphing them. So the problem is when you do those measurements individually and then put them on a graph and put them in a square, you are, by definition, defining a portion of the safe zone that is unsafe. And so, I mean, I would challenge you, we have to think about this differently.
You're absolutely correct. If you change the inclination, then your safer aneversion changes. There's no doubt. It is a functional position of the pelvis. I think OPS has published on this, and they've shown this. And it's always unfortunate when one company buys another company that's not accessible to everyone else. But it is a functional position of the pelvis, changes the safe zone. There's no doubt about it. And the Lewinnek Safe Zone is not safe. It's the unsafe zone. I mean, it's been proven over and over and over. And hopefully more people will figure out how to measure that other than OPS so we can treat more patients with it. So
I think the safe zone is obviously antiquated. It's from the 1970s, still using it. But how many surgeons here are putting their cups in that big range of motion? I mean, if you're using navigation, you're putting it in an incredibly small target. Most of the zone isn't even relevant, I think, for a lot of surgeons in this room.